Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Apache Hub to a MySQL database by downloading the MySQL connector jar file and setting it up with Apache Hub. This is a simple step-by-step tutorial, so let's jump right in. First, we need to download the MySQL connector jar file from the MySQL website. To do this, open your browser and navigate to the following URL. Scroll down and click on download button next to the recommended version of the connector. In this case, we are going to select platform independent. On the next page, you can choose to register or sign in to your Oracle account, but it's not mandatory. Simply click on the No Thanks, Just Start My Download link at the bottom of the page. Once the file has been downloaded, you need to untar the file to get the jar file. With the jar file in hand, we are ready to upload it to the Apache Hub plugin folder. Locate your Apache Hub installation directory. Go to the plugins folder and then the databases folder. Create a new folder named MySQL if it doesn't already exist. But if it does, just go inside and find a lib folder inside the MySQL folder and place the jar file here. Now that we've added the jar file into the appropriate folder, we need to restart Apache Hub for the changes to take effect. With the Apache Hub restarted, we can now test our connection to MySQL database. In Apache Hub, create a new project or open an existing one. Go to the metadata, relational database connection, right-click and select new. On the connection type, choose MySQL. If Apache Hub recognizes the driver that we have uploaded, the installed driver will show the appropriate driver and the version. Fill in the required connection details. Click on Test button to test the connection. If the test is successful, you will see a confirmation message. You can now use Apache Hub to work with your MySQL database. And that's it. Now you know how to connect Apache Hub to a MySQL database using the MySQL connector jar file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials like this one. Leave any questions or comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.